Welcome to our room, 1810 at the Ritz-Carlton, Central Park South. Nicely appointed room. Really will be great for us for the one night. As we just got off of our cruise from the Queen Mary 2 from London, we'll start taking a look at some of the amenities in this room. I guess we should probably talk about the view. This is one of the big reasons we booked this. So, beautiful Central Park view from the room. We will be heading down there shortly. Playing in the park probably most of the day today. Probably heading up towards the Met. And then working our way back. But absolutely gorgeous weather today. It's 70s and sunny. Could not be better. All right, so we'll start with the giant soft king bed with lights that pop out. You see there. There is both electric and USB on either side and either table, which is great. We have this beautiful bathroom with a separate shower and tub. Single vanity sink with storage on either side. As you couldn't see that, sorry. And then that water closet. I like that the lights in here are dimmable, which is nice, so we can keep that on in the evening. Going back into the room, we can take a look at some of the storage. You have storage on either side of the television here. This is your safe, your luggage racks. They do give you a steamer as well, which is fantastic for our jackets and stuff. And then on the other side, you have another closet with storage, hangers, and additional bedding in case you would need it. Also, the normal extra amenities such as handkerchiefs, bags for laundry, and your umbrella. And in the center here's a bunch of storage, including your champagne glasses and champagne glasses and water. More storage there. Various snacks for your minibar. And then the actual minibar, which is here, including your wine, champagne, various juices, mixers, water, beer, and vodka, it looks like. And also in the entrance area is another setup with snacks and a standard bottle of Johnny Walker Blue, which is a very decent scotch. So that is our room here at the Ritz-Carlton, Central Park South.